We've spoken about PMS and we've spoken about menopause. Postpartum mental health is never, ever, ever, it's non-existent for us in this country. How can women deal with that? Because it's so business, postpartum blues, you can be suicidal, you've never been depressed. How do you deal with
No,
that?
I'm very happy that you brought about this question because it's a very, very important topic. And what I always tell women is the next time you're going to see someone who's delivered a child, instead of looking at the child and saying, oh, ye maa ke
Right.
jaise dikhta hai, baap ke jaise, actually all kids look like aliens. When they're born.
So true.
You know, we need to find out how the woman is doing.
Yes.
Yeah, the
Because
mothers,
50% of them go through postpartum blues. That means 1 out of 2.
Yeah.
Okay. 10% go through serious depression. Okay. And what happens is because they don't know how to deal with this little child. And there are hormonal changes which are
within the
happening.
body, yes.
Because of which you can't sleep, you can't eat, you look at your body and you feel, what's happened to me? Will I ever be able to get into my favorite
Normalize,
jeans?
Yes.
You know, how will I go back to work? How will I leave this?
Baby,
Don't
yeah.
sleep at night. So with all these things, they really go through a lot. Okay, and this needs to be addressed because if this is not addressed on time, and 1 out of 1,000 can also have psychotic breakdowns. You know, when you read in the newspaper, this mother has thrown a child out. Now this is because the illness has not been picked up. So I've been trying to educate right from gynacs, okay, that after the mother has delivered, what do you do? 2 women at kitty parties who are grandmothers and great grandmothers, that this is a reality. Please do not think कि मैंने तो 4 बच्चे पैदा किए, मुझे तो कुछ नहीं हुआ, right? And take them to a psychiatrist. There is no harm in giving medication, even if the woman has just delivered. You know, it's not going to affect the newborn. And even if you have to choose between breastfeeding and a happy mother, I will choose a happy mother.
Yes, absolutely.
Because you can always
translate
give
it to the
something else.
Yeah.
You know, because imagine if a mother is not happy, her
It
husband
just-
cannot
yes.
be happy,
Yeah.
her kids are going to be unhappy,
Yes.
and everybody around her is going to be unhappy.